Hello, and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to easily configure two-factor authentication for our account. It's a simple process that requires a two-factor authentication app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy installed on our mobile phones. Let's start by logging into our account. Once logged in, click the Preference menu option and then the Setup MFA option. On this page, we can see two authentication methods. By default, our account is protected by the email-based OTP method. But in today's video, we will see how to change it to the mobile app-based OTP method. Remember, we can always switch back if we need to. Let's click on the mobile app option. We can now see the QR code. Let's open the authentication app on our mobile and scan it. Once we do that, the authentication app will save our PasswordLab account and show us the 6-digit code. Let's type the 6-digit code shown in our authentication app and click on the Save button. We will see the success message, and now two-factor authentication is set to the mobile app. From now on, we need to present the 6-digit code from the authentication app while logging in. If we want to revert back to the email method, we just need to click on the email option and then click on the Save button. We will see the success message, and our two-factor authentication is reverted to the email method. Let me quickly set the two-factor authentication again to mobile so I can show you the login process. Now, I have set the two-factor authentication to mobile. Let me log out and log in again. I will type my email address and password here, and then click the login button. Now, instead of waiting for the email, we just need to open our authentication app on our mobile device and type the 6-digit code shown. If the typed 6-digit code is correct, we will be successfully authenticated and land on the password page. I hope you like our video. For more details, you can visit our docs. See you in the next video. Good day.